Hello, welcome to David Attenborough Does Maths. I'm David Attenborough. Today we're going to be forgetting about real things. Imagine how complex this is going to be. If you come along with me, you'll find that we have negative 16 here. Now, as you can see, negative 16 has died. That is because it tried to square root itself. Which obviously, square rooting a negative number is not possible. Now, if we can look around, we can find, oh, there it is. It's I. Now, I is an imaginary number. And if you square I to get I squared, like, oh, here's one over here, then you'll see something amazing happen to I squared. Just watch and find out. Let's see if it does anything. Well, look, amazingly, it's transformed into -1. Now, using this knowledge, we can soon find that we can work out the square root of negative 16. So obviously, square root of negative 16 on its own is not possible. But as I squared is -1, we can replace the negative with I squared to get root 16 I squared. Now, if you try to do that, you'll end up with 4I. Therefore, making the answer possible. It may be imaginary, it may be complex, but it's still possible. Now, let's go over here and try to do a question. So here we have a question of division of complex numbers. We have Z1, which is 2 plus 3i, and Z2, which is 1 minus 4i. The question we've been asked is Z1 divided by Z2. But how do we do this? Well, to start off, we'll put Z1, which is 2 plus 3i, divided by Z2, which is 1 minus 4i. Now, this is in a horrible form. So, what we do here is we want to get rid of the I. So we do this by timesing by 1 plus 4i. This way, when you time these two, the i's will cancel out. So we'll start off with the top half, which equals 2 plus 3i plus 8i plus 12i squared. And the bottom half, which is 1 plus 4i minus 4i minus 16i squared. Then what we do here is we cancel it down. So we end up getting 2 plus 11i. Then here, the knowledge we've learnt so far, is I squared turns into -1, so this becomes minus 12. And that over 1, then 4i minus 4i becomes 0i, and then minus 16i squared becomes plus 16. Then we'll cancel it down even further. To get minus 10 plus 11i all over 17. And there's your answer. And that's all for this week. So remember, next time someone says your imaginary friend doesn't exist, tell them, yeah, it doesn't exist. like the square root of -1 doesn't exist. Thank you for watching.